Today, crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you name it got absolutely decimated. And the question is crypto going to collapse here? It certainly looks like the total crypto market cap is going to trigger this daily chart head and shoulders. There's been a couple attempts where they've tried breaking crypto down and then they rally it, but this pattern is looking very, very bullish for the total crypto market cap, and it's looking like you could have a very sharp capitulation fall. Simultaneously, you do have the bullish pattern a little bit lower here that obviously could take hold at any minute. But the big question is, are we going to get a retrace back to the breakout zone and give any of the crypto bulls a chance to re-enter on the long side of the trade? Time will certainly tell, but it is looking very bearish for the overall crypto market cap. If you throw in some of the key daily chart moving averages on the total crypto market cap, we are below the 50, we are below the 20. You got the bearish cross of the 720 and 50, so things are looking a little bit dicier here in the crypto space. What did we do with members today? We have been net short Ethereum since this 47.85 level, and today we actually trimmed a bit of our Ethereum short, basically netting 19% profit near the lows. We've hit a symmetrical measured move target. You're backtesting some previous support areas. You've pierced this previous little high pivot liquidity. So don't be surprised if Ethereum off of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days consecutively down could catch a little bit of a bounce. We fully exited our Bitcoin short. Although Bitcoin is not really trading into much support in this region, it could still come a little bit lower. We decided to pare back our BITI. You can see Bitcoin is also trying to stage a little bit of a bearish wedge pattern breakdown. Today, you got absolutely creamed in MSTR. Names like Coinbase saw a hard fall. MARA coming in really sharply. But overall, the bigger bear pattern in the crypto space is coming from your total crypto market cap, which is showing that there's much more relative weakness in the overall crypto space that you need to be mindful of. And granted, why is crypto starting to sell off here? Because your US dollar has absolutely exploded and broken out on the daily chart, looking like it wants to press a little bit higher here, trading what we like to call a bit of a W pattern, a double bottom pattern, which has quite a bit of explosive power. If you look at the long-term monthly chart of the Dixie, this isn't some Mickey Mouse small-time level that you're hitting. This is a 14-year trend line that I've been discussing with my members. We even went long the UUP well down here, parking majority of our cash inside the US dollar and anticipating a little bit of market weakness. And I did describe in my previous crypto video, I said, with this weakness in Bitcoin off of this candle over here, Monday, I said, is crypto and Bitcoin kind of foreshadowing a little bit of weakness set to creep into the markets? Often these high liquid assets go through a bit of a decline before the major indices do. And I called it out in a YouTube short. I said, this might be foreshadowing a little bit of market weakness. And that was on Monday. Well, look what transpired today. Boom, boom, boom. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, big sells in the market, but profits have been made with Trading Capital members in the crypto space, and we're still looking to potentially secure a little bit more. This Ethereum chart is looking real filthy, real nasty, and the question is, are we going to get a massive capitulation dump that is going to give us a buying opportunity in the crypto space? We